तुम्ही आता VR तू एक एक्सपिरियन्स घेतला सगळे मठाच्या आर्किटेक्चरात कसं असं ताजे पूर आमकां एक VR थ्रू पळोवचें म्हणल्यार हाजे तुमगेले एक अनुभव सांगा.
No, when I go through this VR goggle, it is exceptionally too good, and any person standing at one place can have a view of all the three-dimensional structures. Even when we move, sometimes we miss out something. But in this VR Google, Mr. Bharat Karmali has done so beautiful photography and cinematography that any disabled person who cannot walk down to all these structures, he can visualize and feel the spiritual power within all these structures and the beauty of the temple. So it is I know unique kind of thing. So this temple really is merged with all the technology, spirituality, and all the aesthetic beauty of the temple. And this is a God's place. God bless Mr. Bharat Karmali, and I think he has got lot to do in this technological world.